We'll take a look at the world of online selling and how to build an e-commerce business in this lecture on e-commerce. The act of buying and selling goods or services online is known as e-commerce. As more and more people shop online for convenience and accessibility, it has gained popularity in recent years. We'll go over the fundamentals of e-commerce in this lecture, including how to choose a niche, create a website, and effectively market your products. 1. Selecting a market. Choosing a profitable niche is the first step in building a successful e-commerce business. Anything from handmade crafts to digital goods to pet supplies could fall under this category. It is essential to select a market niche that not only meets high demand but also aligns with your interests and expertise. To determine which products are selling well and which market gaps or opportunities exist, you will need to conduct extensive market research. 2. Creating a website. The next step is to build your e-commerce website after choosing your niche. Popular platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Magento can be used to accomplish this. A website that is easy to use, visually appealing, and optimized for search engines is crucial. Include high-quality product images and descriptions, a user-friendly navigation system, and a safe payment method. 3. Promoting your goods. Because it is what brings customers and sales to your website, marketing is an essential part of any e-commerce business. Social media marketing, email marketing, influencer marketing, and paid advertising are just a few of the many marketing strategies out there. It is essential to determine the marketing channels that have the greatest impact on your intended audience and to adjust your strategy accordingly. In addition, you will need to closely monitor sales and traffic to your website in order to determine which marketing strategies are working and which need to be improved. 4. Service to customers. Any e-commerce business needs good customer service because it can make or break a company's reputation and customer loyalty. It is essential to respond promptly and professionally to complaints and inquiries from customers and to provide shipping and return policies that are transparent. You should also encourage customer reviews and feedback because it can help you build trust and social proof with potential clients. 5. Growing your company. You might want to think about expanding your e-commerce business to meet the demand. This could mean hiring more employees, outsourcing particular tasks, or expanding your product line. In order to stay ahead of the competition and meet the ever-changing requirements of your customers, it is essential to continue conducting market research and remaining current on industry trends. E-commerce can be a very profitable and satisfying way to make money online if you take the right approach and put in the effort.